Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need 2 essentials before changing alerts: a supported iPhone and an active carrier connection. Once ready, make sure your ringer and vibration are on so alerts can reach you. Now open Settings and tap Notifications. This gets you straight to the global notification controls where emergency settings live. While you're here, note your device region and carrier at the top of settings because alerts depend on those settings. Proceed to the notifications list to find government and emergency options. Once done with the initial checks, scroll to the bottom of notifications to locate government alerts. Toggle on emergency alerts, public safety alerts, and amber alerts so you receive every critical broadcast. Make sure sound and vibration are enabled for those toggles, otherwise the phone may show a banner but remain silent. If you use focus or do not disturb, add emergency alerts as an allowed exception so messages break through. After enabling, close settings and wait a minute for carrier sync. To complete setup, restart your iPhone and accept any carrier settings update. That often activates alert delivery. If you still don't receive alerts, make sure your region is correct in settings and the SIM is seated and registered on the network. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset network settings to refresh cell provisioning. This fixes most delivery issues without erasing photos. If problems persist, contact your carrier and confirm they support government alerts in your area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.